Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our previous video, we learned how to download MySQL. In this video, we will see how to install MySQL using the custom setups options which allow to use only the component we need. So let's get started. First, open the MySQL installer that we downloaded earlier. Once the installer opens, select Custom as the setup type and click Next. Now, from the list of available products, select the components you want to install. For example, choose MySQL, MySQL Server, MySQL Workbench, and any other tools required for your projects or learning. After selecting the components, click Next. The installer may click after selecting the components, click Next. The installer may click for missing requirements. If any prerequisites are needed, click Execute to install them and then continue. Next, click Execute or begin the installation process. Wait for all selected components to be installed successfully. Once the installation is complete, the MySQL Server configuration windows will appear. Configure the server setting according to your requirement. Set a strong root password and protect it with the remaining configuration setup. After the configuration is completed, click Finish. Finally, open MySQL Workbench. Connect to your local MySQL server using the root password and verify the everything is working correctly. That's it. You have successfully installed MySQL using the custom setup. If you found the video is helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you the next video.